Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Kurnia Setiarini and I'm from Research Proposal Seminar A. Here, I want to explain my research proposal entitled The Use of Webtoon in Mastering Vocabulary, Student in ELT in Junior High School Perception. Vocabulary is an essential part of any language, especially English. Whatever language is it, humans need vocabulary to construct the language. Vocabulary has an important role in language skill. Without having enough vocabulary, the student will have difficulty to know the meaning of what they listen and read as well as to express their aim in communication. Generally, vocabulary is the knowledge of meaning of word, also a central part of language. This is show that vocabulary is a core of language. However, even though vocabulary is an essential aspect of English, learning vocabulary still emerges as problematic issue since English learners start to lose interest to learn vocabulary. To improve this vocabulary, it can be through by reading. Webtoon is one of the reading apps currently popular in ELT. In more detail, Webtoon is a combination of web and cartoon. Never introduction Webtoon in Korea in 2014, and it's now commonly used in Asia and also Western country. The research question is, what are teacher and student perception of the use of Webtoon in student vocabulary mastery? And the objective of this research is to know student and teacher perception of the use of Webtoon in student vocabulary mastery. The significance of the research for students, it provides a solution to comprehend while studying English, especially when it comes to mastering vocabulary. And for English teacher, it may use Webtoon to teach students how to master vocabulary. The scope of this research is student perception of using Webtoon in student vocabulary mastery, but not only student, it also uses teacher perception. And the limitation is the topic of the study selected randomly and for students who read Webtoon in their class. There are three definitions of key term in this research. The first is Webtoon, the second is teacher perception, the fourth is student perception, and the last is vocabulary mastery. Next, in review of related literature, there are Webtoon and the strength of using Webtoon. Next is vocabulary and the kind of vocabulary, and the last is teacher and student perception. Review study related to this research were done by several researchers. The difference among the studies are the aim, setting, and methodology. The study focuses on teacher and student perception in the use of Webtoon in mastering vocabulary. Moreover, qualitative method is used in this research. This research was conducted using qualitative research. This method is suitable because the researcher tried to understand what respondents feel from using Webtoon. This research was carried out at MTSN Kota Madiun. The researcher chose the 9th grade at MTSN Kota Madiun and choose one class that consists of 30 students. There were two techniques for collecting the data in this study. There are questionnaire and interview. The questionnaire used in the study was closed-ended questionnaire. The closed-ended questionnaire used a writing skill questionnaire in which the researcher used Likert scale to collect information from the participant. Another technique to collect the data is interview. The goal is to complete the data from the questionnaire with open-ended question. The data of this research is teacher who use media or Webtoon to facilitate student vocabulary mastery in classroom and students who are taught using media in learning vocabulary in English classroom. To analyze the data, the researcher took some steps. First is collecting the data, second, analyze the data, and third is interpret the result. Next is research stages. First, researcher asks permission to the teacher and making appointment. Second, distribute the questionnaire. Third is doing the interview. Fourth, read all the data. And 5, interpret the data. Thank you for watching my video. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.